friends from Lord Music Academy. This is the song from the Coffin Man, Astronomia 2K19. I'm going to teach how to make this sound using Serum. So let's hit Init preset here. So I have this sawtooth. Of course, you need to know how to play the sequence. But let's carry on, it's very simple. You can set here to mono, so it's going to play just one note at a time. I'm going to raise here the time of the portamento, which is what gives this slide effect between the notes. I'll turn always on so that it makes this effect even when I play the notes in non-legato. So the sound is pretty much done. Let's just add some reverb. You can set it to your taste. I will leave like this. And here, what we need to do to make this reverb more audible while not covering the dry sound of the lead is adding a compressor after the reverb. Set a fast attack because we want it to turn down the volume straight away. And set a slower release so that you notice the reverb coming after the dry sound and not at the same time. Then adjust the gain so that it sounds at the same level as before. And that's it. Like this video, subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below saying which other sounds you would like to learn how to make in this channel. Bye!